Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the look I'm gonna be doing today. If you like this look and want to know how I got this look, please keep watching. My base is already done, so I'm starting off with the eyes. I'm using this Nika K Plum Sugar palette. I'm using a matte pink in the corner and then blending it with a matte orange, red and purple from the Makeup Revolution Tropical Carnival palette. Then making sure to blend all the colors seamlessly with a fluffy blending brush. Today I'm gonna do a double cut crease, so cutting my first crease. I decided to do a fun eye look today, so I'm doing my crease pretty extended, making sure the shape is perfect and the edges are sharp. For the first crease, I decided to use this beautiful matte yellow from the Tropical Carnival palette. And now cutting my second crease. On the second crease, I'm using this beautiful pale lime green shimmery shade from the Reloaded Iconic Division palette. And on the outer corner, I'm using this matte green from the Tropical Carnival palette. Then using the Lakme Insta eyeliner in green on the edge of the first crease to make the look more crisp and put together. And then on the edge of the outer crease, I'm using the gold Lakme Insta eyeliner. Using the colored liners on the crease made the look more crisp and sharp. Using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in rose gold on my brow bone and inner corners. Use the same matte green that I used on the outer corners of the lid on the lower lash line. Now applying blush and highlighter. Use the same Maybelline Master Chrome rose gold highlighter on my cheeks and nose. Applying a thin black liner on my upper lash line. And now using some kohl and blending it with a brush with the eyeshadow. Some mascara and then finally falsies. Using this very pretty NYB Runway matte lipstick today. It's a beautiful magenta pink which went really well with this look. I'm finally gonna open my hair, brush it a little, and this is the finished look. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and please subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.